Hello everyone, thank you for visiting. In this video, I show you steps to make this wideband textured ring. No. Wait a minute. Check this out. This can be separated into two rings. Yes, it is so-called a joinable ring. You can wear two rings at the same time. It looks like a wideband flat ring. If you wear one ring without stone, you can enjoy a simple flat band ring. If you wear the other ring, you can enjoy stone on top. So you can say this is three-way ring. Joinable ring making with art clay silver. Here, what I have is 2.5mm thick flat band ring made with art clay silver. This has been textured, but making it with or without texture is your choice. This has been dried completely, and treated smoothly with sanding pads. For this ring, I'm going to add silver bezel for 5mm round stone. You need 5mm drill bit for attaching the 5mm silver bezel. Okay, make a hole in the ring with the drill bit. Check opposite side of the ring connection, and start drilling all through. Handle with care as the dried ring is fragile. Make sure to have allowance of the hole edge is 2 to 3 mm away from both edge of the ring. Now, use jeweler's sawing blade. Check direction and position to cut. Start cutting the ring with the saw. Be careful not to cut yourself, and cut it gradually and carefully. Wear protection gloves if necessary. Again, handle with care all through to the end as the dried clay is fragile. Now, the ring has been cut into two pieces completely. As you can see, cutting edge and surface shows a little rough. Use a fine file to treat the edge and side smoothly. A few gentle strokes of filing is enough. Check if two rings are joinable completely and smoothly. Next is, to attach the silver bezel to one of the ring. The bezel has prongs in four corners. Therefore, it cannot fit in the hole without modification. Now, take this kind of tiny needle file. Make a half-round ditch with the needle file in the center of the hole. Check if they are matching. If it is not deep enough, file it a bit deeper. If you can check they can meet in position, apply art clay silver paste type to join. Remove any extra paste with a toothpick, then dry it completely. As you can see, the bottom of the bezel is exposed. Apply silver paste to cover the join part of bezel and ring. Then dry it again. Now, take the other side of the ring to see matching. As you can see, three prongs bother when two rings are joined. Therefore, widen the hole approx. 1.5 mm using a medium fine file. As you know, art clay silver shrinks during firing, so make sure to keep the hole approximately 1.5 mm larger than the bezel. Check entire ring to see they match perfectly. This is fired ring, and a failure example if you would not have enough allowance. Obviously, they are not joinable. Don't worry by the way. It requires some strength and time. but you can make the hole larger using a hand file even after firing. This is a successfully finished ring. As you see, joinable ring can be suitable gift idea for couples and family to share special design and memories. Enjoy making your own joinable design with art clay silver. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video.